We are tired of the parasitism of some of the actors. As a third-generation anti-colonial freedom fighter from Africa, attending this gathering, I cannot end my remarks without commenting on the chaos and criminality that has been going on in the world, but in particular in the last 600 years. All sorts of criminalities have been committed by bankrupt, greedy, evil, but also ignorant actors. These actors make philosophical mistakes, they make ideological mistakes, they make strategic mistakes. To build global affluence and prosperity, these mistakes are not necessary. That's why I want to congratulate the UAE, especially the founder, Sheikh Zayed, for his vision of win-win vision. We are tired of the parasitism of some of the actors. And that's why we say they are ignorant. Because if you are not fair, people will resist you. And that's what Africa did. And I am here as a third generation leader, fighter of Africa. The first generation was in 1912, when the ANC of South Africa was founded. Fight colonialism. People had colonized us. Imagine colonizing Africa. What are you thinking properly or what? You leave your home, you come to my home. That was the first generation, 1912. The African National Congress was founded in South Africa. The second generation are in the 1940s. People like Nkrumah, Mwalimu Nyerere, Jomo Kenyatta, many other leaders. And we are the third generation, we who came in the 1960s. So therefore, we are saying that these endless philosophical, ideological, strategic mistakes are not necessary. The world can be very prosperous when we work together in a win-win way. That's why I salute Sheikh Zayed for his, from what I have heard. We did not know much about the UAE. In the 1960s, we were working more with North Africa, with Egypt, Nasser, with Algeria. Gaddafi had come, Libya. Then I went to fight Idi Amin from 1971. When I came back, I heard of a place called Dubai. I have never heard of Dubai. People are coming to Dubai, to buy things from Uganda. They were no longer going to UK. I did not come here until 2014 when some of my people linked me with you. So I'm very happy to know the good work of Sheikh Zayed, the one of win-win approach. I congratulate you on that. The mistake makers compel the victims to resist, and hence the victims, the conflicts. There should be a forum to discuss this squandering of human potential by parasites. We believe in win-win solutions to human problems. I thank everybody.
Many thanks, Your Excellency, for your optimism and for your conviction.